I was sent this product at no cost for the purpose of this review. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box and check it out. All right, so when you take it out of the box, it comes with all of this. First thing you're going to find is it comes in this nice case right here. It's a nice rugged case. It has this rotary tool attachment that goes on the end of this and allows you to get into hard to reach areas or areas where you won't be able to get this tool into, and you'll be able to get this smaller part of the tool. Of course, you have the rotary tool itself and a nice long power cord. It comes with a router type attachment that goes on the end of this tool, and it even has kind of like a depth meter. It comes with a bag full of like sanding wheels, a guard. It comes with a large assortment of different types of attachments. So, the attachment pieces that are used to run these little sanding wheels. It comes with some larger cutoff wheels, some smaller cutoff wheels, some grinding tips. I mean, it really comes with a lot of different pieces you need. And it also comes with the different head pieces that you need to run the different pieces in the set. And it comes with, these are grinding wheels or cutting wheels. Then it looks like this one is a thicker set of cutting wheels, a little bit more heavy duty, but that could be deceiving. Maybe it's the same size, I'm not sure. And then it comes with a bunch of little sanding pads that you attach to do light and precise sanding on things. So very cool. It comes with everything you would need to get started, and it comes with the manual to explain all of this, of course. So let's go ahead and put this thing to work and see how well it does. So these tools are so cool. They have so many different uses. It's basically unlimited with the amount of uses you can use these for. But today I am going to carve my initial into the handle on this rubber mallet. So I loan out my tools and I don't always get them back. So I'm going to start actually putting my initials on them so I know which hammers are mine. So to do that, you've got this little twist off up here that opens up, and it allows you to put these kind of little bits in there. You press the little button here, then you start tightening it. If the button doesn't go all the way in, it will when you start twisting it, because it finds the little groove to go in. So you twist it, and now it's got a tip. To turn this on, you just press the power button. You can adjust its speeds by clicking up, slow it down by pushing down. But I'm basically just going to do this on a 1, because it just needs to be fast and dirty. Always be careful with using tools like this. And that's it. Turn it off. Press the power button. I really like the digital readout that it has here. I like the fact that you have the buttons to speed it up. I really hope this was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. Y'all take care.